Hi everyone! So this is our day 1 of the post 7D Tri-Lift HIFU plus VMAX full face and neck from Skin Desire Green Hills branch. Ito yung eksaktong kinabukasan after the treatment, and as you can see, I'm pressing my fingers on my face, looking for some areas na I can really feel yung may masakit parang masakit na parang may pasa sa loob. It's because nung treatment talagang targeted areas yung ginawa sa'yo. So, all those areas, as you can see, may onting redness din sa face ko, but very minimal. And I'm touching, well, don't worry, nagugas akong kamay kasi bagong ligo ako niyan. So, yung ibang area sa face ko, lalo na sa may double chin, talagang masakit siya. For day 2 naman, ganun pa rin, hindi masyado nagbago yung pain from day 1. And the areas lang na masakit is from malapit sa may jawline, left and right area, and yung pinaka-double chin area natin. So, I can really feel the tender feeling nung mga areas na to. And hindi siya yung masakit na masakit. It's very tolerable. It's just that, alam mo may ginawa sa face mo. Ganun yung feeling lang. For day 3, medyo umunti na yung pain sa may cheek area. Pero dun sa mga malapit sa jawline, again, and sa chin area, medyo may pain pa rin. But again, very tolerable. And on the 3rd day, medyo umuunti na talaga siya. Or again, depende sa pain tolerance siguro. Mas mabilis lang siguro mag-recover yung balat ko or yung katawan ko on this one. But then here's our day 3. Day 4 naman, eto na tayo. So as you can see, medyo noticeable yung results. And sabi naman nila, after 30 days pa talaga makikita yung mga other results. But I am monitoring kasi yung masasakit na area sa face and I want to share this with you guys. So, ayan, ito by bandang malapit sa mouth area na chin. Yan, yun lang yung masakit. The other parts, wala na halos. Very tolerable. Day 5, halos wala ng pain. Very, very minimal na lang. As in, super minimal na lang. Halos hindi mo na rin maramdaman. Though, kapag pinrest mo ng madiin, ayun, masakit pa rin siya. Day 6 comes, and yes, kapag madiin mo lang siya, pinrest yun na. Pero other than that, wala na, hindi na siya masakit. Day 7, ayan, ganda-gandahan na lang si ate mo, girl. I'm really happy with what I'm seeing right now, and noticeable, sabi rin ng husband ko, lumiit yung double chin ko. That's a win. Day 8 comes, halos wala na ring pain in your face. Talagang I'm happy with what I'm seeing kasi yung bulge sa gilid ng face na wala Day 9, ayan. So, wala na talagang pain at all. So, umiiksi na rin yung video natin dito. Day 10, here, I just wanna show you the results for the first 15 days. Ayan, so, here you go, the day 10. Day 11, okay, as you can see, I really like it. And it's just one session na. One session pa lang to. So again, 2 to 3 months yung interval kapag mga ganitong session. But then ayan, day 12, wala na talagang pain at all at this time. So talagang gusto ko lang i-video yung itsura. Okay, day by day. So day 13, ayan. So nag-i-improve talaga yung face natin. Day 14, okay, ang ganda. O, kita mo, opak. Coming to our day 15, super noticeable results, and there you have it. Thanks for watching, guys.